Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Doors. And what I'm taking, they have panic device, or one of them has panic device with throws, upper and lower throws. I'm getting rid of that. And I'm just doing push plates and pulls on both doors. Gosh, what was my question? Oh, okay. So it used to be when I was installing hardware, we would use what they call an astragal, which is a T-shaped piece of metal or plastic or whatever it be. From what I'm understanding from my installer, they don't use those anymore. They're not ADA compliant. Is that correct?
No.
You know what I'm talking about? What I call an astragal?
I do, yes. I'm familiar with that term and the ways in which those are, not only the ways in which the term is applied, but the derivative of applications of how the term is applied in different ways.
Mm-hmm. So I'm not wanting to do that. If I put those old type astragals on there, I'm going to have to put a door coordinator on it, and I don't want to do that.
Why?
Why don't I want to put a door coordinator on it?
Yeah.
I just don't want to spend the money.
Okay, that works for me. So you're pulling off exit devices. So first of all, I would caution you against that in the sense that they were probably there as a requirement of code.
Yeah, but they've redone these doors. I can't imagine we're making them free swing, without any locks or anything like that. Now, I will say this, there's an outside set of doors and an inside set of doors. The inside set of doors do have mag locks on them.
The inside doors have mag locks?
Yes. The outside doors, all they have is a panic device with an upper and lower throw. They do have a cylinder on them, but nobody even knows where the key, nobody's locked it since the building was open. No need to have it.
So are you working on the interior or the exterior pair?
Both.
Okay.
I'm changing out hardware on both.
Okay, so where are you removing the exit devices?
The exit, you mean the panic devices? That's what I call them?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Both outside set of doors.
So you're pulling those off the exterior doors.
Mm-hmm.
So how can they be free swinging if those are outside doors that must be locked?
No, they don't have to be locked.
Oh, okay.
No, we don't care if they're locked because we have the mag lock controlling entrance and exit, and
okay.
You have to be able to get in through those doors to even push the numbers on the keypads on the second set of doors.
To get in the vestibule, sure. So because those outside doors have exit devices, I would think that it's a path of emergency egress. What is opening the circuit to the mag locks on the interior pair?
I don't even know if it does. Well, it depends which jurisdiction we're in. Sometimes we have to have a
we're
delay.
In yours. We're in your jurisdiction.
Huh?
Your jurisdiction is the only one that matters. Whatever your local requires. Yeah.
So I'm willing to take the chance on changing those out to just a what would you call that? A passive set of hardware, so it's nothing locks anymore.
Well, you could just have push bars on them, just what you'd see on an aluminum storefront. But yeah, something right now has to tell the mag locks to drop out when you want to go through those doors, assuming they work. But obviously there's access control. So, are you want to prevent people from just thoroughly coming in, right? You still want access control?
We're going to leave the mag locks on the doors, yes.
Okay. So I would really like to know what I do to exit without special knowledge? What tells those mag locks to let go?
The only thing that I know, well, there's a timer, okay, and the timer drops them out from, say, 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock morning, 5 o'clock. Then it engages the mag lock, and then the only way you can get in or out is the keypads. Or I am assuming that if the fire alarm went off, those would drop off too. But I'm just assuming it. I've never. Yes, I have. I have seen that happen. Yeah.
So during hours, I don't need to use the keypad to get in because the mags are open.
Nope. Yeah, wide open.
What
is driving this whole thing is the exterior doors are facing west, and a heavy north wind, which I'm calling you from Oklahoma, which is normal to have the closure just is worn out from that. You can't adjust it anymore. So I said, okay, I'm going to change the closures, but these are that old shiny brass crap hardware, and we want to get rid of that too and go with a satin or a stainless or something other than that old shiny brass. I guess that's brass.
So why do you want to add a T-astragal to the outside pair?
I don't. I do not want to. It has it now.
Well, okay, so just yank it off.
It has one now that I want to take off.
Okay. So what direction should we march in at this point regarding the conversation? What needs to be accomplished?
Well, I think I've given you everything that I know about these doors and desire. So can we do what I want to do?
You've told me that you're going to remove the exit devices and that you were told that...
I'm going to remove all the hardware. All the hardware is coming off, except for the mag locks.
So your initial concern was that you didn't want to put a coordinator because you've got a T-astragal, and you're telling me you're pulling the T-astragal. So if you're yanking that,
we don't need a
coordinator at all.
That's right.
Right.
That's right.
So what's the question?
Absolutely right. There is no question. So what do I put in between? What do I put in between those two doors?
So,
do I put what I'm seeing as a brush?
Yeah, so we would call that a split astragal. So literally, surface applied on the face of each door, little bristle, or if the doors are made of wood, do the same concept, but mortise them to the edge.
I wouldn't do that.
Okay.
No, that's too much work. Okay. So I think I'm with you now. And the name of your company is Architectural Builders.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay. And do you have a direct extension?
Yeah, I'm at 111. My name is Richard. I can be reached here. I'll be here till I'm 90.
Are you 89 now?
No, I am not.
Okay. And I'm sorry, what's the extension again?
111.
Or is it 111? I should be able to remember that, but I wrote it down anyway.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look through this. I'm gonna look through this a little bit, and then I'll call you with an order.
Yeah, absolutely. It sounds like it's super simple. So I'll be here.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.